The Lamborghini isn't just a car, it's a statement. With its sleek lines and roaring V10 or V12 engines, it's designed for speed and style. Did you know the name comes from the founder, Ferruccio Lamborghini, who started out making tractors? Talk about a glow-up. The Aventador can go from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars. And let's not forget the iconic scissor doors. Nothing says "look at me" quite like that. Owning a Lambo isn't just about luxury. It's about the thrill of driving a piece of art that's engineered for performance.